Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate marketing program with Refersion, complete guide step by step clearly. To create an affiliate marketing program with Refersion, start by signing up for a Refersion account. Visit the Refersion website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the required information to create your account. After you log in, navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Configure your program settings by defining your commission structure. Set the commission type, which can be either a percentage of sales or a fixed amount. Customize your program name and description to attract potential affiliates. Next, create your affiliate sign-up page. Go to the Affiliate section and select Affiliate Sign-up Page. Design the sign-up form by adding fields that capture relevant affiliate. Once your form is ready, publish the page and take note of the URL. Now, move on to adding products to your affiliate program. In the dashboard, select the Products section and click on Add Product. Choose the products you want to include in your affiliate program and set their. It's time to promote your affiliate program to attract affiliates. Share your affiliate sign-up page link through social media, email newsletters, and your website. Next, monitor your affiliate activity through the Refersion dashboard. Check the Reports section to track sales, clicks, and affiliates' performance regularly. Make adjustments to your program as needed, based on the data you gather. Engage with your affiliates by sending them promotional materials and updates. Consider offering performance incentives to motivate your top affiliates. Finally, continue optimizing your affiliate program to drive better results. Stay informed about affiliate marketing trends to ensure your program remains competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.